Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. If you want a small tree in your garden, it's hard to beat this one. This is Hydrangea Skyfall as a tree. Flowers from July right through until the end of September. The flowers are enormous white flowers and it just grows roughly about 2 meters high and crown on top about 1 meter across. You trim it back in the spring and it does the same again next year and for years to come. So that's Hydrangea Skyfall. The flowers get really full like that. These are just starting their journey now, just starting to open. They're white right through until the end of the year, maybe a little hint of pink when we come into autumn time. But flowering from now right through until the end of September at least. Buckets and buckets of water and feed regularly with Flower Max. Now this is the time of the year to plant it. Decent sized planting hole, a little bit of super thrive at the bottom, well compost and soil on top, and the same back and around. It will need a little stake as well. Now in the web shop we have bush Hydrangea Skyfall as well, but if you want the tree form, make sure to choose the tree form in the web shop. The bush are going to grow roughly 1 meter and a bit high by about the same across, same flowering, non-stop from the end of June right through to the end of September. Bye for now, enjoy your garden.